I haven't been filming much lately. Can't even lie, I've been really busy. This year's been, you know, crazy so far. But hey, we're just gonna keep it like that, and we're just gonna keep working, guys. All right, so we're in the Z now. It's looking pretty splendid. So we're gonna start off by removing the sun visors. This is what we're gonna be removing first. So you just wanna grab your little pick tool, get all up under there. We're gonna start prying it out. Boom, just like that. It's gonna fall out. Put that somewhere in a good spot. Then you're gonna have access to a couple of screws and bolts. Once you grab your little drill or screwdriver, just go ahead and remove that. Then you just wanna first remove it off the little hanger. You just wanna boom, and then from here it's gonna pop down just like that. Then you wanna squeeze your little pry lever. Then your sun visor's down. You can put that up there for now. Push the cable up, make sure it's hidden. I'm about to be doing this side, guys, so time lapse is about to be going. Alright guys, so headliner's out now, so this is how it's looking. Pretty fire. So I'm gonna be turning off the car now because we are good. We are good. Alright, so we're about to be splitting it.
And then I labeled the date that they're used and what out it is. Like this one has 920 stars plus shooting stars. So you only need to take the shooting star kit out of this for her car today. But then this is like 26, 27, 29, 25. So Drew's car tomorrow is for this, and then a roll of suede. And then I have 4 more rolls of suede coming.
Pretty valid. That's valid. The man himself. Boys, we're official now. So we got the W9. So we're gonna be having. I'm glad this shit tough. So we're gonna be having Young filling this out. Our official employee. Pretty badass, boys. Pretty badass. And boom, we do have it all done. So this is the layout. Stars came out fire. Alright guys, so just like that, we finished up the car. So this is how it came out. Overall, came out looking very nice. Can't really see much right now, it's still daytime, but we do have the stars and the shooting stars. It's looking real nice, and then we should be getting a reaction when she comes.
Beautiful.
Yeah?
You did a great job.
Alright, so customer just dropped off 370Z. It's looking fire. She's gonna keep the black interior. 300 stars with the shooting stars. 300. Yeah?
You did a great job.
Nah, I'm glad. It is remote and app controlled, so right there, when you have the chance, you can just download the app. Of course, you can change to red, green, blue. On the app though, there is more modes and everything, so you could just change it all from there.